harvest chasers. January 22nd, 2024. We got some harvest action going on. Harvest 2023. Still going, Washtenaw County. We got a case over there. I'm gonna get a closer picture. Hope you enjoy the video. I would have to say about 98.5% of the farmers are done here in Michigan. I was driving to this other, I'm heading to Ypsilanti, but I was going to go by this other cornfield that I know it's not done yet. I was just wondering if they were out today harvesting. Then I caught this one out of the corner of my left eye. I will have to check my video. I do believe I believe I know the farmer, and I've caught him before at different fields with his setup right there, but he's kind of far away. So I will have to check my, you can always search by the model number on the Libasan YouTube page. But I believe that's a Massy Ferguson tractor that he has over there. Probably a JM grain cart. And I think it's a case 20 something combine. Temperature's like 24 degrees. We're under a winter weather advisory until today's Monday until Tuesday at 11 a.m. We're supposed to get some winter mix later on this afternoon and throughout the evening. It's supposed to be like maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow like tonight, but we're also supposed to get some icy conditions. Corn's looking good. It's just a short field right over here. No high shots today. I left the pole at home. Now, I don't see where the grain truck is. Whoa. Looks like a lot of the corn fell down. It's not that tall corn. But I hope the farmer had a great year, harvest 2023. Hopefully this close-up is working out good. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.